Guys, I'm sharing my screen. We can continue with the operators. Easy concept. So operators are the symbols which will tell to the compiler to perform some operations, addition, multiplication, subtraction. So in Java there are some rich set of operators. Okay, arithmetic, assignment operators, relational operators, comparison operators, logical operators, ternary operator, new operator, dot operator, unary operator, unary operator. Next we have arithmetic operators. We can go ahead with one by one. So easy programs, please concentrate. I'm opening MS Paint. Guys, my voice is audible online people. Okay, screen I shared. Okay. I changed the image properties which I can mention some big number from. Okay, we are discussing about arithmetic operators. We'll try to understand one by one. Arithmetic operators. Heading is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. In the arithmetic operators. What are the symbols we have? The symbols we have plus, minus, multiplication, and division, and modulus. These symbols you already know: addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now we'll try to understand division and modulus. There is I'm doing some division like 10. I'm dividing with 2. 2 5s, 10. Okay, this is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Okay, so when you go with the division operator, it will fetch the quotient as a result. It will it will take the result as the quotient. And when you use the modulus, then it will fetch the remainder as a result. Remainder as result. This is the only the difference between division and modulus. This is clear or not? For example, here if I take 2, I am dividing with 20. 2 tens are 2 tens 20. Okay, your remainder is the 0. In this case, when you use the division operator, it will display 10 as the result. And when you use the modulus, it will fetch and display the result as 0. This is clear or not? Remaining symbols already you know: addition, subtraction, multiplication. These symbols already you know. Okay. Now the same thing, I will write a program on it. Okay, I will show you. We'll go ahead with one by one. I can take operators. File name I am taking as the operators. This is the scope of the class, and we'll take the main method, public static void main method, public static void main, and next we can say string aux, and from here to here this is the scope of the main method. Now we are going with addition operators. Addition operators. Int x equal to some 10 and int y equal to some 20. And now I need to operators. Here I am taking addition operator. So directly I am taking system dot out dot println x plus y x plus y. I will. This is the one way to write, and there are second way. So instead of directly, you can write in second. I would say one line. You can write in two lines. Enter result equal to x plus y, x plus y, and this variable you can pass here. There are two ways. There are two ways, but by practicing, you will write in single line also. Okay, no need two lines. You can write in single line. You can write in single line. So here I am, for understanding purpose, I am writing SOP statement system dot out dot println. Here I can mention arithmetic operators. This is the dummy message. Okay, this is not a mandatory. This is the dummy message. For clarity purpose, I am writing arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. The symbols are symbols. I can say plus. Okay, plus and minus. Next multiplication, we have division, and we have modulus. Modulus. These all I am doing inside the string. Okay. Okay, fine. This is with respect to only addition. This is with respect to only addition. Now we'll try to understand with respect to subtraction, with respect to multiplication, and with respect to division and modulus. Everything we'll see. Okay, everything you can see. Now we can go ahead with I will take the system dot out dot println, and here I can take x minus y you can mention, or any other number also you can mention 5. So what will be the result in this case? X is holding the value 10, and 10 minus 5 5. Next system dot out dot println, and next symbol is multiplication, x into 2. Now what will be the result? What will be the output? 20. 20. Next next I am taking system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println. Now x division 2. Now 2 5 is 10. Yeah, you will get a result as the 5. Next modulus, system dot out dot println, x modulus 5, x modulus 2. Now what will be the result in this case? 0. You will get the 0. So this is my expected result, and then we'll see, we'll verify my expected result and actual result, the both are same or not. You can open command prompt wherever file is available. You can go to that file location. You can open the command prompt, java c, the file name operators dot java. You can see here system dot out dot println x minus 5 println spelling mistake, only one error, spelling mistake. Which line is that one? Oh, the line is 16. Okay, so directly you can go to that 16th line, and then you can go to that 16th line, 20 line, 16. This is the 16 line, println. Okay, you can. So this is the approach to resolve your compilation errors. If compiler is not doing the compilation, that is called compilation errors. That compilation you can resolve in your own by using like this. I would say you can open command prompt, you can go to here, and here you can use uppercase, then it will give the previous commands. Now the compilation has successfully done. Next, Java operators. You can see here arithmetic operators are, this is expected values 35 25 0, and if you want to clarity purpose, then you can do the concatenation as well. Like here you can mention the addition of two numbers, addition of two numbers is like this. Okay, this is the subtraction value is, subtraction value is, okay. Similarly here also can do with, here also can do with the multiplication of, the multiplication of, the multiplication value is, the multiplication value is, you can mention like this. I'm doing concatenating. Okay, string plus variable is called concatenation. I'm doing a concatenation. So similarly with respect to division also we are doing the same thing. And so if you write the program like this, that you can improve the code readability. Okay, we are the division value is, division value is, okay, the division values is, so like this. Now I can save the file, and then in your case also guys you can do the program same there. You can compile the file and you can run the file. Now you can see compared to previous results and compared to this results. So this can improve the readability, right? Okay. So we can practice that way. So this is with respect to arithmetic operators. Anyone have any queries? Any queries? Please let me know any queries. So after the session, I will ask each and every person. After this session, I will ask each and every person. If you have any queries, please let me know. If not, we'll go ahead with next one. Okay, arithmetic operators. Next, we can go ahead with assignment operators. We can go ahead with the assignment operators. So in the assignment operators, what are the symbols we have? And operator. In assignment operators, we have the symbols equals and plus equals. Okay, minus equals, minus equals, and multiplication equals, division equals, and modulus equals. Multiplication equals, multiplication equals, division equals, and modulus equals. The same, whatever the symbols we use it in case of arithmetic operators, the same symbols I am using. Left side symbols, right side equals. So that's it. Okay, left side is the symbols, right side is the equals. That's it. Okay. And next we have modulus equals. Modulus equals. These are the assignment operators. These are the assignment operators. These are the assignment operators. Okay. Are you guys clear with my point? Clear with my statements? The statements you can see here, the symbols, whatever the symbols we are using, we used in arithmetic operators, the same symbols we are using in assignment operators. Okay, with that we are only adding the equals of equal symbol. Equal symbol, plus equals, minus equals, multiplication equals, divisor equal to, division equals to. Okay, modulus equals to. Now we'll go with a few of the examples and we'll try to understand what does it mean by assignment operators. For example, we are discussing about the assignment operators. Assignment operators, we are discussing about assignment operators. Assignment operators. Okay, symbols. The symbols are equals, plus equals, minus equals, multiplication equals, division equals, modulus equals. Okay, only we are adding equal with the arithmetic operators. Okay, now assignment operators. So what is some psychological example? Psychological example means some real-time example will compare to real-time examples when we'll use the when we'll go with the assignment operators. For example, there is a kiddie bank. Kiddie bank meaning in the childhood we are saving the money in that kiddie bank, right? You can assume this is a kiddie bank. This is a kiddie bank. This kiddie bank name I am mentioning is the A, and this is you. Your parents are daily giving money to you. Like you can take it as Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, and next Thursday, Friday, like that. Your parents are daily giving money to you. So let us assume there is a Monday, the parents has given 100 rupees to you, and you are saving the money in the kiddie bank. Kiddie bank means which is a part which is used to store the money. Okay, so whatever the parents has given, that money can collect, that money can store in the kiddie bank. That I am saying as the kiddie bank, and that doll name I am mentioning as the variable name is A. Okay, first Monday your father has gave 100 rupees to you. So you took that amount and that amount you saved in your kiddie bank. Now this kiddie bank holding the amount is 100 rupees. This is with respect to first day. And second day, again your father gave to again 50 rupees to you. Then in that case also what you do? Same kiddie bank. Again you are assigning the same value to that kiddie bank. Are you guys clear with my words? The same situation, how we can write the programmatically. The same situation. Now A is holding the value 150 total, 100 plus 50 total 150. This is with respect to second day. And third day, what the father did, again, father gave some 200 rupees. So the child took that 200 rupees. Again, the child saved that amount in that kiddie bank. Here already 150, 150 plus 200. Total amount is 350. The same way how we can write the programmatically. This is the real-time example how we can write the programmatically. And if the father or if you want to remove the for example some 20 rupees from that bank, from that kiddie bank, minus 20, which means it will be 330, and you can divide, you can multiply, you can do the multiplication and you can do the modulus. The concept is this one. The variable is the same variable we are assigning the values. That is called assignment operators. That is called assignment operators. Are you guys clear with my points? That assigning the values you can do in two ways actually. How we can do, for example,
We'll try to understand with day one. So day one, your father has given amount to you and variable as initialized with 100. This is the day one. We are discussing with the day one. Now again, second day, your father gave 50 rupees to you. 50 rupees only, right? 50 rupees to you. How we can write the programmatically? We will write the programmatically A equal to A plus 50. This is clear or no? Day amount. So totally now A is holding the value 150. 150. Okay. This is the traditional way. But we won't go with this approach. We will go with the additional operators. So instead of writing two statements, you can directly write in single statement. How you can write that one? A plus equal to 50. That's it. That's it. Meaning A is already holding the value 100. Same variable we are again assigning the value. That is called assignment operators. That is called assignment operators. Guys, don't confuse. So most of them at the beginning level they are confusing at the time of giving the symbols. So always right side should be the equals, left side should be the symbols. Meaning both are symbols only. Left side should be the like plus and minus operator. Right side symbol cannot change and left side symbols will be changed. Okay, like that you can remember. This is clear. If you want to assign the same value, one value to the same variable, you can go ahead with the assignment operator. If you want to remove the value from the same variable, then you can go ahead with the subtraction. If you want to multiply, you can go ahead with the multiplication. If you want to divide, you can go ahead with the division. And if you want to do modulus, then you can go ahead with the modulus. This is clear or not? Anyone has any queries in this area? Anyone has any queries? It's clear, right?
Yes, yes.
In our account also, balances amount is crediting down, fall. Crediting and debiting, right? So account is the same, and amount is crediting and amount is debiting. So that we do by using assignment operators. Assignment operators. Okay, the same thing. I will write the program on it and then I will show you. Huh? ఎక్కువ ఏంటి ఎక్కువ నంబర్స్ ఉంటున్నావు అదే దాని కింద మళ్ళీ దాని కింద మళ్ళీ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటా సేమ్ అప్పుడు నేను ఇప్పుడు ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూపిస్తాను okay the same file I'm taking same file and here I'm mentioning as one statement. Here I'm changing with assignment operators. So here I'm mentioning the same symbols I'm mentioning as the equals. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. And equals. That's it. Okay. Now already we defined x variable. Now I am taking into a equal to some value. I would like to take some 5. We'll go ahead with the 5. Okay. Now so Monday my father has given 5 rupees to us. 5 rupees to me. That 5 rupees I stored in my kitty bank. This is the day one. And second day my father again gave to me 5 rupees. Again 5 rupees. Then how can I write the program? I can write like this. A equal to A plus 5. This is the one way. This is the one way. But we will go ahead with assignment operators that we will write like this. A plus equal to 5. Now I will print the value system dot
out dot println, and here value of a is now if I print this one, then how much should I get? It will print 10 value. This is Tuesday result. And second day, my father gave us 20 rupees to me. So, and that, how can I add 10 rupees to my kitty bank? 20 rupees, like that. Now, the same line, I can copy this line. Now, I can paste here. Now, how much should I get? I can get 10 plus 20, total 30. This is clear or not? This is clear or not what I did? Anyone has any confusion? Guys, please let me know. So here,
No, no, no confusion.
okay, okay. I repeat one more time. So here in the interview perspective, we'll be having the question that is what is the difference between double equals and single equals. Okay. Now we are discussing about the single equals, the purpose of single equals, which is used to assign the value, assign the value, assign the value. Okay. As I assign the value to a container, and again I want to assign the same one more value to that same to that same value to that same container. At the time, you can go ahead with assignment operators. For example, if I mention some 8, now what will be the output? If I mention some 4, then what will be the output? You will get as the 9. Here, you will get as the 29. You will get as the 29. As very basic, I would say easy programs can easily can do practice at one time. You will get, okay. This is with respect to addition. So like that, you can add number of elements, number of values you can add. You can add number of values. Okay, now we'll try to understand with respect to subtraction. Subtraction also, everything is only will change the values, only will change the symbols. That's it. So for example, I'm copying this one, and here I'm mentioning like as here I will change into subtraction. Subtraction. This is the 29, and here I will mention as the 20. I will mention as the 9. Then here I will get 20 as the result. 20 as the result, and here I can do the multiplication 20 I am dividing with 2, finally I will get as the 40 as the result. Okay, so same way with respect to division and with respect to modulus as well, with respect to division and with respect to modulus as well. Here I can do with only I will change the symbols. 40 divided by 2, 20. Next module is also same thing I'm doing. I'm copying these two statements, and here I can mention modulus. Here I will get as the 0. So this is the thing. Anyone have any questions with respect to assignment operators? No queries. I'm saving this one, and then you can go to that file location, compile the file. Compilation has successfully done. Now you can execute the file. You can see here whatever the values we expected, it is printing or not. Yes, it is printing. This is with respect to assignment operators. Next, we'll try to understand with respect to relational or logical operators, relational or comparison operators, relational or we can say comparison operators, comparison operators, relational or comparison. What are the symbols? The symbols we have uh, double equals, greater than or greater than, greater than or equal to. Here also you can see here plus equals is the right hand and symbol is the next left hand. Why I'm telling you because most of them are confusing at the beginning level. Okay, that's the only I'm telling. Greater than or equal to, next less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equals to, and not equals to, not equals. These are the symbols. These are the symbols. Okay, with the help of this we can do the comparison, and it will give the result as, it will give the result as boolean values. It will give only boolean values, either true or false. Only boolean values. It will give only boolean values, either true or false. We are doing the comparison between two numbers, and it will give either true or false, either true or false. That I can write a program on it. And in the interview perspective, they will ask one more question is, what is the difference between single equals and double equals? What is the difference between single equals and double equals? Single equals and double equals. This is the regular question they will ask. So single equals which is used to assign the value, double equals which is used to comparison the values. Comparison purpose. Now I will write the program on it with respect to comparison operators. Comparison. If we want to comparison two persons, how we can write the two persons or two values? Comparison. Okay, comparison operators. The symbols are greater than. Okay, greater than. Next, less than. Okay, next, less than. Double equals. That's it. That's it. Only there are five symbols. And the not equals. Not equals. These are the symbols. Okay, we'll try to understand with respect to one by one. Now let us take m equal to, I would like to take some 1. Okay, and let us take int n equal to, I would like to take 2. Are you guys clear with my words? M is holding the value 1, n is holding the value 2. Now I need to do the comparison. That comparison you can do in two ways also. Boolean result 1 equal to m less than 2. Now you guys tell me what will be the result. You can normally can think and tell me m is holding the value 1 and 2 less than 1, which is valid or not. This is true or not. This is the true. It will return as the true. Okay, this is the one way to write, and directly you can write in single line also. System dot out dot println result. This is the one way to write. There are two statements. Directly you can copy these two, this statement, and directly you can write it here. That is also one way to write the program. Okay, now I would like to take this out statement, system dot out dot println. I will compare two variables, m less than n. Now what is the result? True. True or false? No? True or false? Are you guys clear with my words? False. Next. True. At corner? False. Two guys are false. So m is holding the value 1. 1 less than 2. This is the true or false? True only. But some guys are saying false. This is true, okay? Next, this is with respect to less than. I will try to understand with respect to less than equals to. Less than equals to. I am taking the sysout statement, system dot out dot println, and here I can mention m less than equal to 1. This is the true or false? True only. Okay, why? Because we already mentioned equal. For example, here if I mention some 10, and here also I mention some 10. In that case, true. For example, here I'm mentioning 100. In that case, true or false? Are you sure? Less than or equal to? Then true only, right? Next, this already we have in 10th class maths, man. Next, we can take with some 5. 5 less than or equal to some 20. In this case, this is also true. Okay. Next, we can take with system dot out dot println. Now we can take with some 60 and less than or equal to 40. False. Okay. Now I hope you guys clear with less than or equals to, right? Now we try to understand with respect to greater than or equals to. System dot out dot println. Now we can take with I can take with the value is m greater than n. In this case, true or false? M is having 1 and n is having 2. 1 greater than 2. This is false or true? False. This is my prediction values. Okay, after the program, we'll see our prediction values. These are, we'll see system dot out dot println. We'll try to understand. For example, I'm taking 20 greater than equal to 10. In this case, which is true or false? This is also true. So like that, we can write a number of programs. Okay, we can write a number of programs. Next, comparison. How we can do the comparison? System dot out dot println. Here, for example, some 40 w equals to 40. Here also we'll get as the true. Okay, this w equals will use only integer values, and if you want to compare the string values, then we can go with the methods. Okay, we can able to do only numbers as the comparison. We will get as the next we have the not equals. Not equals meaning opposite. Println, for example, 40 not equals to some 20. Now in this case, which is true or false? True only, right? So this is the program with respect to comparison operators. Comparison operators. I can save the file. Now you can go ahead with and then you can run the file. Java C operators.java. Now you can see how the results are coming. Comparison or relational operators, it will return only Boolean values. It will return only Boolean values. Are you guys clear with my words? Anyone have any queries in this area? Comparison operators. Anyone have any queries? Clear, right?
That
I will ask the questions end of the session.
variable has been declared.
Okay,
That
this is with respect to comparison operators. Now we'll try to understand with respect to logical operators. Logical operators also easy concept. Logical operators. Logical operators. In the logical operators, we have only three symbols. Three symbols. Also, this is operator, and left side and right side are the operands. Okay, middle symbols are called operators, and values and variables are called operands. Operands. Okay. Next, logical operators. In the logical operators, we have there are three symbols, and next or operator, and not. These are the three symbols. What is the real time example for these logical operators are logical operators. There are three symbols. We have truth table, right? The truth table I like. I will give some psychological examples, and then we'll go ahead with the truth table. There is a Gmail, and you want to log in with that Gmail. Okay, you should be valid two cases. One is mail, and the second one is password. So mail and password both should be the true. Then only you can able to log in successfully. Login successful. Are you guys clear with my words? Login successful. The both the cases should be the true. This should be the true, and this should be the true. How we can validate? How we can do the program by using AND operator. Okay, here we can use the AND operator, and if the both the true statements are valid, then we can display login successful. We can display login successful. This is with respect to Gmail. And if you want to purchase anything in Amazon, Flipkart, okay, so every time it has to satisfy two conditions. Then only your it will be you will be the login successful. This is with respect to Gmail, and here you should use the AND operator. And when we'll go with the OR operator. For example, there is a Netflix. You can able to log in with either mobile number or mail. So if you have anyone of from those, you can log in. You can able to log in. You can use the OR operator or phone number. Phone number. Then you can log in successfully. So this is the backend we need to validate, and then we have to display. Okay, we need to display the next page. Then how we can write the backend logic programmatically? That we can write by using these operators. Logic login successful. This is clear or not? This is not meaning opposite. I hope this is clear. Also, truth table. We have the truth table. The truth table is we'll try to this truth table already you know and operator or operator same truth table.
this is the R. Next not. True, true. Next true, false, false, true, false, false. Okay, only the two cases should be the true, then only it will be true. Remaining all are false, false, and this is also false. All are false. This is with respect to and operator. Are you guys clear with my words? Okay, the same way we'll try to understand with respect to OR operator. So here also we have the truth table: true, 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 false, and false, true, and false, 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 false. In this case, if the both are, you have the both, any one of that, or if you have the both also, can you able to log in successfully. This is also true, and this is also true, and this is also this is false. If the both you don't have the both, then you will not able to log in successfully. Not operator meaning the opposite. Not true meaning it will display as true as the false. Okay, not false meaning it will display as the true. It will display as the true. This is clear or not? This is clear or not? I hope this is clear for everyone, right? The same, I can write a program on it and then I will show you. Hmm. Not. Hmm. దీనికి సపరేట్ టేబుల్ దీనికి సపరేట్ టేబుల్ కావాలి నువ్వు మొత్తం కలిపి ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ I will write a program on it. I will show you. Same way can you practice. We are discussing about logical operators. Okay, I am taking with simple numbers. Int p equal to 1 and int q equal to 2. Int q equal to 2. Okay, and logical operators also it will return only boolean values. That is also one more point. Logical operators also it will return only boolean values. Boolean values either true or false. Either true or false. Okay, now we can write in two ways. We'll go with the traditional approach. Result equal to, not a traditional approach. This is the one way to write a program. And result, I'm taking 2 equal to, here you guys think and tell me, p less than equal to q, and I am using addend operator, and 10 less than 20. So should I write like this? Yes, I can write like this. In this case, what it will give as a result? False. How you are saying as the false? P is holding the value 1. 1 greater than 2. This is true or false? This is false. Okay, very good. This is false. And next, 10 less than 20. This is the true. False and true according to the truth table, uh, it will give as the false. Okay.
So the answer is false. Now we can say the answer is false. And you can write in single line as well. You can take a system dot out dot println, out dot println, and here you can mention result of 2, result of 2, that you can mention like this. Okay, this is with respect to AND operator. The same way, if you mention the same place instead of the same place, if you mention OR operator, then what you will get? You will get true. You will get true. I will write same line. Boolean result 3 equal to result 3 equal to I can do some numbers. 5, this is the true, and I am taking AND OR operator, and here what I'm doing P. These values you can take anything, guys. Okay, not only these two variables, you can take anything. You can take anything and then you can do the validate. Okay, this is the false. 10 greater than 5, false. Next here I am doing, I will take the true condition, P less than 2. This, in this case, what I will get? True only. We will get the true. Why? Because this is the false and this is the true. False or true is the true. I will take system dot outer logical operator. Java C operators dot Java. Next we can run the file. You can see here false, true, false. Expected values or actual values same or not? Yes, same. So with this we're done with the arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators. Okay. So after that we have the ternary operators. Ternary operators. Ternary operators. So generally in the ternary operators, ternary meaning there are three operators we have. Basically, we can take the condition. The syntax should be like this. Syntax. Syntax is condition and expression 1 and expression 2. This is the syntax for ternary operator. You can see here, first you can check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will display the expression 1. If the condition is false, then it will display the expression 2. Then it will display the expression 2. So there are three operators we will use, ternary operators. There are three operators we will use. Okay, there are three operators we will use: condition, expression 1 and expression 2. Condition 1 and expression 1 and expression 2. The same way I will write a program on it. I will show you. Ternary operator. We are discussing about the ternary operator. I am copying the same statement from here, and I can mention ternary operator. Now I can take any values. For example, some r equal to, okay, some 4, int s equal to some 5. Condition. The condition is r less than s, r greater than s, or I can say r less than s. So you can see here the condition is true or not. Condition is true. If the condition is true, then you can take a question mark and you can display the result is Yes, the condition is true. Condition is true. And here you can do the expression, and here you can mention no. If the condition is true, then you can display the condition is true. If the condition is not, then you can say no, the condition is not true. The condition is not true. Okay. So this I can store in one variable name. That variable name can mention anything. So result, uh, anything you can mention. Ternary result. This is the variable name, guys. Variable name is our wish. Which is written in the format of string. So that is the reason I am taking as the string data type. String data type. And here I am taking system.out.println. Okay, the result is ternary operator. Here I can write a concatenation. Ternary operator result is ternary operator result is this one. You can see here result is as condition is true. This is with respect to string. If I want to validate integer format, in that case, how can I write the program? For example, if the condition is true, then I need to display 100. The value is 100. And if the condition is not to satisfy, then I need to display the value is 200. 200. Okay. So in that case, you can take as the integer values. The data type is int. Now you can run the program and then you can see the result. How the result it can display. How the result it can display. Java C operators dot Java, and now we can run the program Java operators. Now the result is 100. 100. Very, 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 very important. Ternary, all are very, very important. Okay. Whatever the topics we are saying, whatever the every topic is very important. Every topic we will use in the projects. Okay. Every topic, each word is important. Next one is we can go ahead with the ternary meaning three operators. Three operators. With the help of three operators, you can write the ternary operators. Next, we have the new operator. This is the theoretical topics. I will tell you new operator and new is the operator. So first, new is the predefined keyword. New is the predefined keyword. New is the predefined keyword, and the purpose of which is used to create the object for the class, object for the class, for the classes, for the classes. The syntax for new operator is new and class name. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. This is the object creation. This is the syntax for object creation. This is clear or not? Next you have the dot operator. Dot operator also theoretical thing. Dot operator. dot operator which is used to dot operator which is used to access the class members class members which is used to access invoke or access. There are three names. Call the class members. Okay. Now, so from starting to here now, we are using the dot. Here you can see here. So this is the program. This is the file. In that file, every a small unit of the program is called a token, and this is the dot operator we use it from starting day to till now. So what is that? That is the operator that is coming from the operator stop. That is coming from the operator topic. Okay, what is the purpose of that one? So we seen about scanner class, right? We seen about scanner class. Somewhere we did it some scanner class. I will open this one. Demo.java. That demo.java. In the scanner class, there are number of methods. Okay, among those methods, I am accessing a specific method. That how we can do that we can do by using dot operator. That we can do by using by using I'm mentioning dot. So s is the object. In that there are number of methods. From that I'm invoking a specific method. I'm invoking a specific method. So that is the reason of dot operator. Okay, each every word has the each meaning. Okay, now same way dot also have the story. The story is it is a operator which is invoke the class members and variables of that class. Okay, we can call the methods, we can call the variables of that class. Okay, so that is the purpose of dot operator. This is clear or not? Anyone have any questions in this area? So please, guys, all of you, please revise what we discussed so far. I will open the document which actually all of you, please read all the statements what we discussed so far today. We started the session with scan class, right? Uh, please, all of you, can you please start with what is the first statement we discussed? What is the first topic we discussed? Scan class. Scanner class is the predefined class. Okay. Next, scan class is available in the java.util package. So where can I check this java.util package? The JDK team they provide to us one document. In that we can check. Next, purpose of scanner class is which is used to read the data from the keyboard. Okay, and this is this example program. This is example. Next, how we can make the relation between two classes by creating the object. Next, Java program structure. What are the structures? Package statements, import statements, class declaration, class variables, methods. We can write the Java programs by using addition of numbers, division of numbers, like that. You can write a program, you can take the values from the keyboard, and then you can write the program. That is the one assignment. Next, after that, we discussed operators. What does it mean by operators? Next, what are they? తెల్లది పొద్దున తెల్లది పొద్దున మరి కొద్దిగా పెద్ద చెప్పండి ఇది. అంటే మీరు మీకు ఏదైనా విన్నది అర్థం కావాలంటే మీ నోరు అనేది కదిలిస్తూ ఉండాలి. అలా కాకుండా మీరు నార్మల్ ఇంతే కూర్చున్నారు అనుకోండి, మీ బ్రెయిన్కి ఏంటంటే మీ బ్రెయిన్ యాక్టివేట్ అవ్వదు, దాదాపు స్లీప్ మోడ్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోద్ది. స్లీప్ మోడ్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోద్ది. అలా కాకుండా మీరు కదిలిస్తూ ఉన్నారు అనుకో, ఈ పాట కదులుతూ ఉంటుంది, అప్పుడు బ్రెయిన్కి కూడా కొద్దిగా సిగ్నల్స్ వెళ్తూ ఉంటాయి. ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతూ ఉండాలి.
అప్పుడు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తుంది మీకు. ఇప్పుడు ఒక 2 hours క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది అనుకో, మీరు ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతా, రెస్పాండ్ అవుతా, డౌట్స్ అడగడం ఇలాంటి కానీ చేస్తా ఉన్నారు అనుకో, అది 2 hours క్లాస్ కాదు, 1 day క్లాస్ అని మీకు బోర్ కొడుతుంది. అలా కాకుండా క్లాస్ జరుగుతూ ఉంది, నేను ఇంతే చూస్తా ఉన్నాను అనుకోండి, ఇంతే చూస్తారు అనుకోండి, ఒక 30-20 minutes మీకు నిద్ర వస్తుంది, ఆటోమేటిక్గా నిద్ర వస్తుంది. అలా మీకు ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, ఎప్పుడు ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతారు, మీకు నీడ్ ఉండాలి, జాబ్ నీడ్ ఉండాలి, జాబ్ కొట్టాలని కసి ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా మీకేంది, మీకు నిద్రపోవాలన్నా కానీ ఆ జాబ్ అవసరాలు గుర్తొస్తాయి. అరే జాబ్ కంపల్సరీ కావాలి అదే. అప్పుడు మీకు డే టైంలో కాదు, పడుకున్నప్పుడు కూడా జాబ్ అనేది కళ్ళకి వస్తుంది. అలా ఉన్నప్పుడే మీకు అంత యాక్టివ్గా ఉండాలి. ఏమంటావు కదా? నెక్స్ట్ అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్స్, సింబల్స్, ప్లస్ మైనస్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, డివిజన్, సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్, మాడ్యులస్. ముందు మొత్తాన్ని కొట్టని. అంటే ఇప్పుడు రివైజ్ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నారు? ఒకసారి ఒకసారి మీకు రివైజ్ చేసినట్టు ఉంటుంది. అసలు ఏమి మాట్లాడుకున్నాం ఇప్పుడు దాకా, మీకు రివైజన్ చేసినట్టు ఉంటుంది. అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్స్, నెక్స్ట్ అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్స్, సింబల్స్. సింబల్స్ ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలో కూడా చెప్పాను. ఇక్కడ అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఇవన్నీ మనకు తెలిసిన సింబల్సే. కొత్తగా వచ్చినాయి ఏంటంటే, కొత్తగా ఇది ఒక్కటే వచ్చింది, అది దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటో కూడా చూసాము. సో అది మీకు క్లియర్గా గుర్తుంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ సింబల్స్ ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలంటే, మనకి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఇవి వస్తాయి, రైట్ సైడ్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఈక్వల్స్ వస్తుంది. అంతే, ప్రోగ్రామ్ కూడా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వాల్సిన పర్లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ రిలేషనల్ ఆపరేటర్స్. రిలేషనల్ ఆపరేటర్ కంపేర్. ఇప్పుడు మీ ఊర్లో కంపేర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా, వాడికి ఉద్యోగం వచ్చింది నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు అని. అలా నార్మల్గా ప్రోగ్రామ్ కంపేర్ చేయాలంటే ఏదైనా 2 వాల్యూస్ మధ్య కంపారిజన్ ఆపరేటర్స్ అవి వాడతాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ కంపారిజన్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనకి బూలియన్ వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తాయి, అయితే ట్రూ అయితే ఇస్తుంది లేదా ఫాల్స్ ఇస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ లాజికల్ ఆపరేటర్స్ కూడా అయితే ట్రూ ఇస్తుంది లేదా ఫాల్స్ ఇస్తుంది. ఏ డేటా టైప్ మధ్యలో తీసుకోవచ్చు, స్ట్రింగ్స్, వాల్యూస్ ఎందులో తీసుకోవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ లాజికల్ ఆపరేటర్స్ అంటేనేమో అదే, 2-3 సింబల్స్ ఉంటాయి, అండ్ ఆరు అండ్ నాట్ ఉంటాయి. ట్రూత్ టేబుల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దాని ప్రకారం మనం ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్ చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాం. టెన్నర్ ఆపరేటర్ ఏమో 3 ఆపరేటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా, కండిషన్ చెక్ చేస్తాం, కండిషన్ ఓకే అయితే ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ 1 ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయింది, కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ అయితే ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ 2 ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయింది. నెక్స్ట్ న్యూ అనేది ఒక కీవర్డ్. మనం ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలంటే మన కంపల్సరీ న్యూ ఆపరేటర్ పెట్టే క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, అప్పుడు అది హీప్ మెమరీ స్టోర్ అవుతుంది, అది ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మన డైరెక్ట్ ఇది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం. ఇప్పుడు జనరల్గా ఇందాక ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయితే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం మనం, స్కానర్ క్లాస్లో అది చూపిస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇది స్కానర్ క్లాస్ ఉందో, ఇక్కడ దాకా నేను ఏం చేశాను, ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను, ఓకే వెరీ గుడ్. ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నేను డైరెక్ట్గా వాడుకోవచ్చు కదా. డైరెక్ట్గా ఎందుకు వాడమంటే, దీన్ని మనం డైరెక్ట్గా వాడలేము. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం, ఇక్కడికి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం, ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ని మళ్ళీ ఒక రెఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ స్టోర్ చేస్తాం, ఇది రెఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్. ఆ రెఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ డేటా టైప్ అనేది స్కానర్. దీన్ని మనం డైరెక్ట్గా వాడలేము, దీన్ని ఒక రెఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ స్టోర్ చేసి దీన్ని మన ప్రోగ్రామ్లో ఎంటైర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్లో ఎక్కడైనా వాడుకోవచ్చు. అది జనరల్గా చేసేది. ఇక్కడ దాకా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం, ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది మెమరీలో స్టోర్ అయింది, హీప్ మెమరీలో. అగైన్ వేర్ అసైనింగ్ ద సేమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ టు దట్ రెఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్, దట్ రెఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ ఎనీవేర్ కెన్ యూజ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఇది మనం చేసేది. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఇంకేం మాట్లాడుకున్నాం, టెర్నరీ ఆపరేటర్స్, న్యూ ఆపరేటర్స్. డాట్ ఆపరేటర్ అంటే క్లాస్ మెంబర్స్ని, ఇప్పుడు స్కాన్ క్లాస్లో చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదా మెథడ్స్, ఇంటూ, డబ్ల్యూ, క్యార్. వాటిలో నాకు స్పెసిఫిక్గా ఓన్లీ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటే కావాలి. అప్పుడు నువ్వు పిలవాలి, కాదా డాట్ ఆపరేటర్ పెట్టి మనం కాల్ చేస్తాం స్పెసిఫిక్గా. ఓకేనా? సో మీరు ఈరోజు అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఏంటి అంటే, ఒకటి స్కానర్ క్లాస్ యూజ్ చేసి కొన్ని ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇవన్నీ చేయాలి. అదే ఇవన్నీ ఈజీ, నార్మల్ ఆపరేటర్స్, అథమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్స్, అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్స్, అలా మొత్తం ఫైల్ తీసుకొని ఈరోజు మనం ఏదైతే డిస్కస్ చేస్తామో అది చేసి మీరు గ్రూప్లో షేర్ చేయండి విత్ అసైన్మెంట్ నేమ్, మీ నేమ్. ఓకేనా? వీటిలో ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. ఆన్లైన్ పీపుల్, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్?